After closing their doors for months, school systems across the region are turning to the community to help develop some plans for reopening this fall. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Good evening.
And many districts are asking for this input from parents, teachers, and students, and they're doing it through a survey. Fevin Cassahoon spoke with officials and parents on what's going to happen next.
School officials are working closely with the Virginia Department of Health and local health departments, but they are also wanting to hear from parents and students about what needs to be done so they feel safe at school.
Our board has been very clear at our last school board meeting. They want to do everything they can to open as normally as possible, and we will, if we're able to do that and able to do it in a healthy and safe way, we will certainly try to make that happen.
School officials are working with guidance from the local health department and taking into account what the local health metrics are at the time when school opens.
Hopefully, the number of active cases in Bristol and surrounding areas remain relatively low as we move into August. If that's the case, I see no obstacles for us to being able to open school full time.
They are also asking for input from those they serve. So far, more than 500 responses from parents and more than 200 responses from staff have been submitted.
My son, he needs speech therapy and he also needs reading. He goes to those special classes 2 to 3 times a week. And his speech therapy was doing really good in school, and then when all this started, he has completely reverted back.
Both of Angie Thompson's children attend Bristol Virginia Public Schools. She hopes the system plans for students to return to school because her kids have been struggling to learn remotely.
I think the school board can make everyone happy, and it would also reduce class sizes if they told people you have every right to stay home, and we will even help you with distant learning.
Thompson believes having students continue to learn from home is doing a disservice to them.
I believe in schools. That's, they're teachers for a reason.
Dr. Perigin says they will take into account every parent's concern.
Additionally, we would consider requests from folks without health issues that may have just general concerns about COVID. We would consider those requests for remote instruction as well.
The survey for Bristol Virginia Public Schools will end tonight at 11:59. Before an official plan is released, the school board must create one with the responses and submit it for approval to the Virginia Department of Education.
Fevin, thanks. And Elizabethton City Schools are turning to parents for their opinions and concerns on reopening. The system has created a survey that you see there on your screen with only a few questions, so it won't take very long. They ask what school your child attends, if you prefer regular classes or remote learning, and if your child has access to a computer and internet at home. We're going to post a link to that survey on WJHL.com.